Hey guys, this is a 2021 Ford Ranger Tremor Edition. It's their off-road package. Starts as an XLT, but it is a rebuilt title. Had mostly like the suspension damage. There was a little bit on these fenders and stuff, but this was all looks original from the pictures of the damage. Looked like there was a little damage, I think, on the fenders. Wheels were off, so it had some suspension. Full sticker package, all the graphics. Heavy duty running boards. Key, remote start. $44,319 on the miles. Adaptive cruise. All your power windows. Does have your lane assist. All your volume controls. Here's all your off-road packages. Locking differential. Looks like tow package. Apple CarPlay there. Climate controls. Navigation. This Tremor does have a bunch of auxiliary things so you can hook up other equipment. Your manuals. No sunroof on this. Clean here. Two-tone. Suede leather. Tremor badging. All the carbon fiber all over it. Some all-terrain tires. Bed liner. Cool kind of cement gray color with the graphics sticker package. Tremor. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.